In this video, I'll explain everything you need to know about using the live speech feature on your iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch. Live speech is another accessibility feature that lets you type anything you want to say and have the device speak whatever you type. This feature works well for people who have difficulty speaking and can be used during FaceTime calls, standard calls, or even calls made with WhatsApp. Welcome to Ellen's Tips for iOS, where I help seniors master their iPhones and iPads. If you find the video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Let's start by turning on live speech. And to do this, you'll need to turn it on individually on each device that you intend to use it. So I'm on my iPhone. This will also work for your iPad. You'll tap on Settings. You'll tap on Accessibility. Scroll down until you see Live Speech. Tap on that. Toggle the switch on, and then tap under the Voices area, and here you can go ahead and choose whichever voice you want to use. To activate live speech on the iPhone or iPad, once you've activated in the settings, you're going to triple click on the side button, which is your power button. So I'll go ahead and do that. And now you'll see the Type to Speak box appears above the keyboard. I can add in a phrase. And once I do, I can tap on Send, and it will repeat what I've typed back.
How are you?
So that's how to do it on the iPhone or iPad. Live speech can also be used on the Apple Watch, and here's how you would set it up. I'm going to push on the digital crown to come into the apps. I'm going to scroll until I see the Settings app. I'm going to tap on that. I want to make sure that I'm in the accessibility, so I'll tap on accessibility. Then I'm going to scroll all the way towards the bottom, and you'll see live speech. I'll go ahead and tap on live speech, and then I'll toggle that switch on. So to activate it on the Apple Watch, you'll triple click on the digital crown the same way we did with the side button. So let me see if I can get it to work. You'll see that the Enter Text to Speak comes up. If I tap on that, I can see that I can use either the microphone or the keyboard. I can add a phrase. I can go ahead and tap on Send. So let's see if I do this. How are you? And if I tap on Send, it comes up on the screen. So it actually listened to everything I said. So it comes up on the screen, and then it goes ahead and reads what you've typed in on the Apple Watch. To save time, you can add words or sentences that you frequently use and add them to your favorites. And your favorite phrases, they'll sync across all your devices using iCloud. So you only need to save them to one device to have access on all of them. And so here's how you would do that. I'll go ahead and I'll open the Settings app. I'll tap Accessibility. I'll scroll down until I see Live Speech. I'll tap on that, and I'll tap on Favorite Phrases, and you'll see that I've added some in already. If I wanted to edit them, I could just tap into them and edit. If I want to add a new phrase, tap on the plus button, add your phrase, and then you would tap on Save. And if you wanted to delete any of the phrases, tap Edit, tap on the red circle, and then go ahead and tap on Delete. To use your saved phrases or favorite phrases on the iPhone or iPad, you're going to do the same thing. Triple click on the side button. The Type to Speak box will appear. Tap on Phrases. Now choose your favorite phrase.
I'm doing well.
and it'll automatically speak to you. When you're finished, you could go back to the keyboard and type something else if you wanted to. And when you're all through, just tap on the X. To use your saved phrases on the Apple Watch, same thing, triple click on the digital crown. I sometimes have a hard time doing it, but there it is. And below favorites, you'll see there are your saved phrases.
What time will you be here? What time will...
And then I can tap on the X to get out of it. Triple click again. Oops, having a tough time. There we are to get back in. I can tap into the screen. I can go ahead and type it in or use the microphone. And so I can tap on cancel and I'll come back to the text area and where my favorites are located. And you can see that they have synced across both the iPhone, the iPad, and my Apple Watch. You can also train your iPhone or iPad to create a replica of your actual voice if you prefer something other than the pre-built options. Once completed, you can select your personal voice as the live speech option. So to create a personal voice, you're going to come into the Settings app, you're going to tap on Accessibility, you're going to scroll down and choose Personal Voice under Speech. You can toggle on the switch to say share across devices or allow apps to request to use. Tap on Create Personal Voice. I'm going to enter in my passcode. And now you'll see that you need to read 150 phrases aloud, which may take about 15 minutes. And so once you're ready, you'll tap Continue and you'll begin to create your own personal voice. You can also use live speech on your iPhone or iPad during a FaceTime call, and you'll do it in the same manner. So as you can see right now, I'm inside of a FaceTime call, and if I triple click on the button, the side button, you'll see that the Type to Speak box appears. I can tap on phrases if I want, and then I can choose one, and it'll read it. And so that's how you would use live speech during a FaceTime call. Live speech is an excellent tool for seniors, offering accessible communication despite speech difficulties. The versatile feature allows it to be used across various Apple devices, including the iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch, making it accessible and convenient. Seniors can benefit from the ability to say frequently used phrases, ensuring quick and efficient communication during calls. Additionally, the option to create a personalized voice adds a touch of individuality, making interactions more personal and engaging. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.